Compass Schoolhouse campers! Today, while we are camping in the great outdoors, I thought it would be fun if we go on a little hike. It's one of my favorite things to do when I go camping is to walk through the woods and see what we can see. So, everyone should have gotten their compass in their kit. So grab the compass, find north, and let's start on our hike.
Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop, now let's stop. Marching, 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 hop, 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 hop. Tippy, tippy, tiptoes, tippy, tippy, tiptoes. Now let's stop, now let's stop. Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop, now let's stop.
Nice job. Whew, it's already hot outside. I'm getting tired. Let's take our compass and set it in the front of our yoga mat and enjoy the new spot we just came to. There are so many wonderful things to see when you go on a hike. One of my favorites is all the creatures that live all around in the forest and in nature, like a butterfly. Oh, there's one. Do you see it, boys? Let's sing our butterfly song. Sit down on your bottoms and put your feet into butterfly pose.
I'm a little butterfly, light and free. I have wings like a fairy. Can you count the flowers that I see? Close your eyes and fly with me.
Let's warm up our bodies to a new song called Black Dog by the River. There's lots of rivers around when we go camping, right? Let's pretend like we're near one. That looks interesting. Do you guys see that? That looks like it's a black dog down by the river. Let's do a song about that. Come on. Downward dog.
Black dog in the river, black dog in the river. There's a black dog in the river, swimming to a heart's delight.
High plank. Hold and cut. Strong.
Throw sticks in the river,
Tap your
throw
shoulders.
sticks in the river, throw sticks in the river, throw 'em to a heart's delight.
Push downward dog. And turn up.
Fish rise in the river, fish rise in the river. See the fish rise in the river, rising to the heart's delight.
Push back into downward dog.
Frog jumps in the river, frog jumps in the river, frog jumps in the river, jump into his heart's delight.
Push back into downward.
Swan glides in the river, swan glides in the river, swan glides in the river, glide into her heart's delight. Shake, shake in the river, shake black dog in the river now. Shake, shake in the river, shake into your heart's delight.
Step back down.
Black dog in the river, black dog in the river. There's a black dog in the river, swim to your heart's delight.
Great job! Let's pretend to be all the animals we see on our hike. Come on, let's go.
I'm a scaly little snake, here's my voice.
Lift it up.
A scaly little snake, here's my voice. A scaly little snake, I'm a scaly little snake. I'm a scaly little snake, here's my voice. I'm a furry little cat, here's my voice. Meow. A furry little cat, here's my voice. Meow. A furry little cat, I'm a furry little cat. I'm a furry little cat, here's my voice. Meow. I'm a frog on a log, here's my voice. Rabbit. A frog on a log, here's my voice. Rabbit. A frog on a log, here's a log for my frog. I'm a frog on a log, here's my voice. Rabbit. I'm a great big bear, here's my voice. A great big bear, here's my voice. A great big bear, I'm a great big bear. I'm a great big bear, here's my voice. I'm a smart little owl, here's my voice. Hoo, hoo. A smart little owl, here's my voice. Hoo, hoo. A smart little owl, I'm a smart little owl. I'm a smart little owl, here's my voice. Hoo, hoo. I'm a great elephant, here's my voice. A great elephant, here's my voice. A great elephant, a great elephant, a great elephant, here's my voice. I'm a happy little person, watch me jump. A happy little person, watch me jump. I'm a happy little person, I'm a happy little person, I'm a happy little person, watch me jump.
Yay! Wonderful job. I love to listen and look and smell the rushing, rolling water of the river when I go on hikes. What about you guys? Do you like walking near water? The sound is so peaceful and it brings lots of animals in nature to the watering spot, to the hall. There's lots of things to see. We love it. I hope you do too. Let's practice our canoe pose while we roll down the river.
The river in your town holds lots of history. Some is written down, some still a mystery. Roll, 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 river, roll. Roll, 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 river, roll. Settlers came upstream and started families, planting all their dreams in the granite and pine trees. Roll, 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 river, roll. Roll, 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 river, roll. Barges hauled down wood for houses to be built. Some have fallen down, but some are standing still. Roll, 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 river, roll. Roll, 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 river, roll. In the south you might find gators, in the north you might find trout. In the east and west you might just find some turtles hanging out. You might take a canoe ride and afterwards a swim. Remember, you're a guest of our friends with scale and fin. Roll, 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 river, roll. Roll, 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 river, roll. Grandma always said, please pick up your trash. Don't wash up in the river. Go home and take your bath. Roll, 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 river, roll. Roll, 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 river, roll. Minnows dart about in groups that we call schools. Their habitat is clean today, 'cause we know what to do. Roll, 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 river, roll. Roll, 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 river, roll. South you might find gators, in the north you might find trout. But in the east and west you might just find some turtles hanging out. You might take a canoe ride and afterwards a swim. Remember, you're a guest of our friends with scale and fin. Roll, 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 river, roll. Roll, 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 river, roll. Roll, 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 river, roll. Roll, 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 river. River in your town holds lots of history. Some is written down, some still a mystery.
Excellent job! That was hard work using our tummy muscles for so long. Way to go. Everybody, I don't know about you, but I'm exhausted. Let's go back to camp. Find your compass and let's hike back.
Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop, now let's stop. Marching, 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 marching. Hop, 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 hop. Tippy, tippy, tiptoes, tippy, tippy, tiptoes. Now let's stop, now let's stop. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop, now let's stop.
Woo! We're back! I didn't think we would make it. That was hard work. But I'm so glad you guys decided to come on a camping, hiking adventure with me and my boys. Let's relax and enjoy a little hot chocolate for all of our hard work.
Imagine you're holding a cup of hot chocolate in your hands. It's much too hot to take a sip right now, so let's blow on it to cool it off. Bring your cup up close to you, take a long breath in, and slowly, gently blow it out to cool off your hot chocolate. Once more, take a long breath in, and gently blow toward your cup. Now take a tiny little sip of your hot chocolate and say, mmm. Make the sound last as long as you can. Take another tiny little sip of your hot chocolate and say, mmm. Make the sound last as long as you can. Now set your hot chocolate down in front of you. Take one more long breath in and just let it all the way out.
Thank you, everybody, for going on this adventure with me. We hope you have a great day camping and having fun with all the activities that came in your kit. Bye-bye for now.